Hey guys, so I'm back tonight with another makeup tutorial. I know I look a little crazy, a little two-faced right now, but we'll get into that in a moment. But first, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. And make sure you hit that notifications bell as well so you're notified when I go live with my live streams and when my new content drops weekly. Okay, so without further ado, tonight I'm going to attempt a 5-minute special effects makeup for Halloween. I found it on another YouTube channel and I thought I would give it a try. It's supposed to be cheap and easy. So let's get to it. All right, so what I'm gonna be doing tonight is I'm going to make it look like my eye is missing, bloody eye socket with a pencil going through it. The only things you need for this is some liquid latex, which I got off Amazon, some fake blood, makeup sponge, some lipstick, which I'll show you what that's for, and a pencil. So pretty much like a schoolgirl being murdered, stabbed in the eye with a pencil. That's what we're going for here. All right, so, oh, and I forgot the main thing. Little makeup cotton thingy here. Cotton pad. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna pull this apart like that. And the fuzzy side you're gonna stick up and put over your eye. Now, try to see on camera when I do this. I don't have my table close enough. You're gonna take your little makeup sponge here, dip it into the liquid latex, and then you're just gonna start working it around the iPad. iPad. Trying to get that to stick on there. Stuff doesn't have a really flattering smell to it. All right, yeah. Ooh. Don't worry about that. Okay. Sorry if I keep moving off the camera a little bit there. My table's a little low. That's gonna make a mess now. All right, there we go. Oh, that's stupid. Get that. You just want to get that going around so it sticks to your face there. Pretty funny because I'm already somewhat blind without my glasses, and now I'm putting stuff over my other eye, which is actually my eye that has better vision in it. Okay, so we got that going on. So now, don't fall off there. We're gonna take our fake blood here and our little spatula thing that came with it, and we're just gonna slather that on. That's a little too red. I want that a little darker. You can make your own blood with some honey and some green and red food coloring, which I probably should have done, which I will try for the next one of these I attempt to do. Oh, stuff's gonna stain my skin so bad. It's fun having a ginger skin. Alright, so I'm not, oh, just clump it on there a little bit. I don't know how I'm gonna get the pencil through this. She made it look really easy, but I'm a little nervous considering how clumsy I am. I don't want to actually stab myself in the eye. I'll go to the ER. That would be awesome. Pencil sticking out of my eye, or in my eye. Explain that one. That's for the YouTube. I'm starting to look like a bloody mess here. I'll stop trying to open my eye up. All right. don't have a sponge to, I think I can try to use the other half of that makeup one, or the little blood splatter effect on the sides here is sponge around it and make it a little, I don't know, splattery looking. Is that a word? All right, that stuff doesn't smell good either. All right, so there's our little wound here. It's not look better if the blood was a little darker. Still not bad looking, still pretty cool. Here comes the fun part. Try to not really stab myself in the eye. There we go. Oh, don't come off. Get in there. Get through it. Whew. I'm going with a bloody mess here. Oh. There you have it, people. There is your missing eye with the pencil going through it. Probably shouldn't be as saggy as it is, but first attempt, not bad. Now I got bloody fingers. All right, so hold one moment and I'll go fix my hair up and make me look a little more crazy. Be right back. All right, guys, so I mucked up my hair a little bit here, and I actually went and did the honey with a little bit of green and red food coloring here. And you can see I started putting it on the top, but so the mixture looks like here. I'm gonna apply a little bit more because I think it looks better with the darker shade here. It's freaking amazing what you can do with freaking food. Put that around, kind of smudge it in. I better not walk outside like this. I will get attacked by freaking flies, bees. All right, yeah, I think the darker looks much better with that. All right, so it was pretty easy, pretty fast. I like the lipstick, just pulls it together. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty cool. It's really hard to keep your eye closed underneath this. I keep opening. And then when I was trying to put some more eyeshadow on that eye, that was a challenge because it's covered and I'm trying to close that eye, and yeah, it just wouldn't work. All right, so if you like what you saw here tonight, please hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notifications bell as well so you're notified when I go live with my live streams. And make sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Ginger Slaps with a Z, and over on Twitter it's Ginger6. All right, well, you know, I kind of do want to walk outside and see if the neighbors are out there. See if I can scare somebody. Maybe I should answer the door like this on Halloween. All right, guys, in the comments, let me know what you think. Let me know if you try it. Post a pic. Until next time, have a good night.